Hi there, students. To clinch, a clinch, the clincher. Okay, to clinch, I think today we use most commonly, meaning to settle something conclusively, to decide the difference, something that makes the difference. So a goal in the last minute of the match clinched the match. It settled it conclusively. It was clearly decided. This goal was the decider. You could clinch a deal. So he offered me an extra 5% discount, and that clinched the sale. That settled it conclusively. I was definitely going to buy it from him. Something could clinch a decision. If you're trying to decide between two or more things, and then there's one characteristic that you find that's the deciding thing, that clinches your decision. Okay, so to clinch, to settle conclusively, to persuade so that your mind won't be changed. Okay, we can also use clinch to mean to hold or to grapple or fight with. Now, be careful not to confuse clinch with clench. Clench means to hold tightly. He clenched my hand, but I wouldn't say he clinched my hand. So, for example, if you see two boxers, when they get in very close and they can't punch because there's not enough distance, this is called a clinch. It's like they're holding each other and they're trying to fight. Or you could have, in a movie, the romantic scene where there is the clinch between the hero and the heroine, and they hug each other and start kissing. Okay, this is a clinch. I think also you can probably use clinch to mean to fight with, but it's not very common. So let me show you something, because there's another meaning of clinch, an old meaning. You see how this thing here is fixed. The nail has been banged in and then it's been turned over, and that is to clinch. Okay, so to bang a nail in and then bend over the end to hold something in position. Okay, that is an older meaning of to clinch. You can also have a clinch knot. It's a type of knot to hold something in position. But I think the most common use is this usage of to settle a deal, to clinch a decision, to clinch a sale, to clinch a match. My team clinched the championship 3 weeks before the end of the season. Nobody could catch them. Nobody could get enough points to take first position away. The goal was the clincher in the match. It clinched the match. It settled it conclusively, and there would be no change. Yeah? The boxers in a clinch, holding each other, trying to fight, but they can't really hit each other. Or the romantic clinch where the two lovers hug each other. Okay, apparently the etymology, it's a variant of the word clench. But nowadays, clinch and clench are different words. And clench, to grip or to fix. Notice to clinch is a regular verb. This clinched the deal. His positive attitude has finally clinched the deal. Now, a question. What about formality? I think this word to clinch is probably neutral. It's maybe a 5. You could definitely use it in an informal conversation, and I think it would fit very well in a formal document. So it's nice and flexible, although slightly on the less formal side. So, to clinch, to settle conclusively, to decide, to hold strongly. And then you saw the nail, to bend over a nail to hold something in position. And that's to clinch. So I hope this video has clinched any doubts you might have about how fantastic this channel is. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To clinch.